A luxury Land Rover lies flipped on its side in the middle of a Florida road. Emerging from the wreckage is the greatest golfer in history, Tiger Woods. At first glance, it looked like a tragic accident, but as the police body cam started rolling, a much darker story began to surface. A bizarre phone call, a cocktail of prescription drugs, and an arrest that would send shockwaves through the sporting world.
Breaking news involving Tiger Woods under arrest for DUI following a crash near his home in Florida. Police responding to the scene, Tiger Woods rolling his SUV onto its side. Woods can be seen there in the background. Tonight, Woods is now behind bars, accused of speeding and driving under the influence.
On the afternoon of March 28, 2026, police were called to a high-speed crash on Jupiter Island, Florida, just a short distance from Tiger's own home.
Where was he going?
He was coming this
He was
way.
coming this way. And where were you?
I was getting ready to turn. And he didn't see me, I think, and he just kept...
He clipped a truck, lost control, and rolled his vehicle multiple times. Despite the violence of the crash, Tiger appeared eerily calm.
Yeah, you're good. Are you all right? Are you in any pain?
No pain. No.
No back pain, no neck pain?
No.
Knee?
Nope.
Nothing.
Claiming he felt no pain at all, a statement that immediately raised red flags for the responding officers.
Say again?
Just keep you down here with us, please.
Yeah, I was just talking to the president. Yeah, I was just talking to the president.
No, don't, nothing in your mouth, please. Nothing in your mouth. Sit out. Thank you.
While detained in the back of a patrol unit, a surreal moment was captured on camera. Woods was seen finishing a phone call. As he hung up, he looked at the deputy and casually remarked, "Yeah, I was just talking to the president." That president was later confirmed to be Donald Trump. Whether it was a plea for help or a sign of deep disorientation, the call added a bizarre layer of intrigue to the scene.
So besides your leg, do you have any medical conditions that I need to know about?
I've had 7 back operations.
Okay.
20-some amount of operations on my leg.
Okay.
And my back as well.
When was your recent surgery?
October of last year.
Of last year? Okay.
The situation took a serious turn when a DUI investigator arrived. Tiger disclosed a grueling medical history, 7 back operations, and over 20 leg surgeries.
Are you able to walk, lift your leg with no issues, or do you have?
I'll have a limp.
You have a limp?
And my ankle's fused.
So what we're going to do is, since you do have injuries, I'm going to have you seated, and we're going to have you perform seated exercises. Are you okay with that?
Got it.
What I'm going to have you do is remove your glasses and put it on top of the hood, and then go ahead and have a seat all the way on the push bumper. And then go ahead and bring your feet towards you.
Once the crash scene was secured, the most challenging phase of the investigation began. When specialized DUI investigator Deputy Brandeville arrived on the scene, he observed that Tiger Woods appeared dazed and visibly confused. Although Woods strictly denied consuming any alcohol, his glazed eyes and sluggish demeanor left the officers with no choice but to dig deeper. Right at the start of the evaluation, Tiger shared a critical detail. He explained that his body had endured years of severe injuries and surgeries. With 7 back operations and over 20 surgeries on his legs, he was physically unable to stand straight or walk. Because of this, the standard protocol was modified, and the field sobriety tests were conducted from a seated position.
So what you're going to do is look at my pen right here, okay? And with your eyes and your eyes only, you're going to follow that. Don't move your head. Do you understand? Don't move your head.
The first evaluation was the horizontal gaze nystagmus, HGN, or the eye test. The deputy moved a pen in front of Tiger's eyes to check his focus and coordination. While Tiger attempted to follow the stimulus, he showed significant difficulty maintaining concentration, and his eye movement lacked the smoothness required to pass.
Remember to return your hand back to your side. I'm not going to keep reminding you.
Yeah.
Right? Left?
Next came the finger-to-nose test. Tiger was instructed to close his eyes and touch the tip of his nose with his index finger. Even while seated, his balance and reaction times appeared abnormally slow. How? The full battery of tests. In total, Tiger was put through 4 specific seated exercises: the horizontal gaze nystagmus, HGN, eye test, the finger-to-nose test, the palm-to-palm, hand pat. test the fist-to-fist multitask exercise. Throughout these exercises, Tiger became increasingly confused. The combination of physical pain and mental fog meant he was unable to follow the complex instructions, leading the investigators to a grim conclusion.
Place your hands behind your back. Place them behind your back. There you go.
Just let me know, Tatiana, when he's good to come.
Yeah, that's a narco.
It's Narco?
Yep.
Okay.
Tiger admitted to taking medication earlier that morning, but the true extent was revealed during a search. Officers discovered Narco, a powerful prescription painkiller, in his pocket, while he passed a breathalyzer for alcohol. It became clear that a combination of distraction and heavy prescription drugs had severely clouded his judgment and motor skills.
Nothing on you I need to know about guns, knives, bomb, drugs, anything that
Nope.
poke, stick, or stab me?
Nope.
Just watch your step.
The evidence was undeniable. Tiger Woods was in no condition to be behind the wheel. He was placed under arrest for DUI on the spot. This incident serves as a haunting reminder that distraction and prescription medication can be a lethal combination, no matter who you are or how much you've achieved.
No drinking.
What do you think? Were Tiger's physical injuries to blame for his performance in the test? Or was he truly impaired? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe for more deep dives into high-profile cases.